Hey there everyone in YouTube world. I'm an ES trader and I've been kind of frustrated with Excel, so I decided to learn Visual Basic, and I'm in the process of learning that now, but I've created a spreadsheet and an application within Excel that will log your trades automatically. So here it is, and what I do is I enter in this box right here, I enter, let's say I'm getting in at 1201, the price 1201, and get out at 1203. So if I'm going long, and that's a problem I've always had with Excel, whether you go long or short, it's really hard to calculate that out if both of those trades exist in a spreadsheet. So click long, click enter, it gives you the time and the date of the entry. And I use a system that has several targets. So reduced risks is one target, T2 is a separate target. So when I do that, if you notice on the right, I've got a reduced risk of 2 ticks, a T2 target of 8 ticks, a total of 10 ticks. Then I also can enter if I'm with the trend, and these are all the different trade types I do. I won't go into that, but let's just call that a micro ambush long. And then I also have filters that I look at where the tick is high or low, if the advanced decliners are trending or not, also where the SMI is. So I can select all these values and enter a comment. I'll just say test trade for now and click save. And if you look in the spreadsheet here, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. All those trades were just, or all those variables were just entered in the spreadsheet, and as well as the comments to the far right here, and the session time and the total ticks. So I review my trades by ticks, not points, and I'll just show you some of the other screens I have set up in the spreadsheet. Here is an evaluation. I use a pivot table down here, and then it evaluates my trades by the type of trade again. Micro ambush long is what I just traded, so it's showing me that I'm good at those. I like to evaluate by days as well. If Mondays or Fridays are weak for me, it's good to know that. I also have a section here for time. I like to trade session 1, so for me that's between about 9:50 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. New York Eastern. And here's the other time periods I look at. Also have an equity curve built into this. And this last one I just wrote, it's a monthly evaluation of the trades. So I just kind of look at the last roughly 2 months, and these are my total ticks for each day along with the date, and then a running total along the right side of how I did on those weeks. I'll show you that code really quick. This came together today, actually. Came together pretty quickly. I'm sort of improving on my coding skills a little bit here. It's a module, and it's called a monthly report. So all of that functionality fit within a fairly small amount of lines of code. I've got an if loop here and nested inside an if loop, and also a for loop to increment the rows and look through each row. So anyway, that's the basic functionality here. I'll run that one more time so you can get one last look at the user form. And I'll probably be updating this, improving it as I learn about it, but so far very happy with it and enjoying learning VBA. You guys take it easy.